Syncing Jira and Notion can help streamline project management, allowing you to seamlessly view and manage Jira issues directly within Notion. While there's no native integration between Jira and Notion, you can sync them using a few tools or manual methods. Using Zapier. Zapier is a third-party automation tool that connects apps like Jira and Notion. Sign up or log into Zapier and create a Zap. Set Jira as the trigger app, choosing an event like a new issue or status change. Set Notion as the action app, like creating a new page or updating a database when a trigger occurs. Once set up, your Jira events will be synced with Notion automatically. Using Notion API and Jira API. For more customization, you can leverage Notion's API and Jira's REST API. Develop a custom integration that pushes Jira issues to Notion databases as new pages or tasks. This option requires coding knowledge or a developer to handle the integration. Manual sync. While not automated, you can create a Notion database that manually tracks Jira issues. Copy and paste data from Jira into Notion to create a custom project management system.